In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a course in Teachable. If you need to temporarily hide a course while you update lessons, adjust pricing, or pause enrollments, unpublishing is the safest way to do it. It removes the course from public view without deleting any content or data, so you can bring it back when you're ready. Start by signing into your Teachable account and opening your school's admin area. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the main navigation and head to the Courses section. This is where all of your courses are listed in one place, making it easy to manage what learners can and can't see on your site at any time. Next, find the specific course you want to take offline. If you have a long list, use the search bar or scan the titles to locate it quickly. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Checking the course thumbnail, title, or any tags you might use can help avoid mistakes. When you're sure, look to the right side of that course's row. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Actions menu. Click that icon to open the course actions available to you. From the menu that appears, select Unpublish Course. Teachable may ask you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you don't remove something from your catalog by accident. After you proceed, the course will be taken off your public pages. It won't show up in your catalog or sales pages, and new visitors won't be able to enroll through your usual checkout flow. Your course content remains intact in the back end, so there's no risk of losing lessons, media, or settings. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the option to unpublish, you might need the appropriate permissions from your school owner or admin. Also, if you're unpublishing while you make changes, consider drafting a short note for your support channels to explain the course is temporarily unavailable. And remember, unpublishing is different from deleting. You're not removing the course forever, just making it invisible to the public until you're ready to show it again. When that time comes, you can return to the same place and make it visible once more. That's it. Simple, safe, and fully reversible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your courses with confidence.